morning students. Today we shall discuss Stengel law of forces. What is Stengel law of forces? If three forces acting at a point be represented in magnitude and direction by the sides of a triangle taken in order, then the forces are in equilibrium. That is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. Or in other words, we can say that if two forces acting at a point be represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of a triangle, then the resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side taken in opposite order. Now we give some examples related to triangle law of forces. First we give this example. If D and E are the middle points of the side AB and AC of triangle ABC, मीन्स हमें ट्रायंगल ABC गिवन है और D और E मिड पॉइंट दे रखे हैं AB एंड AC के. Then prove that resultant of forces represented by BE and DC. अब हमें BE और DC इन दोनों की क्या निकालनी है? रिजल्टेंट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय 3/2 BC. ये हमें शो करना. Let's solve this. For this, let's take triangle BCE. In triangle BCE, we can say that B equal to BC plus C by triangle law of force. This is equal to BC plus half of CA. क्यों? क्योंकि E CA का मिड पॉइंट है, तो we can write C equal to half of CA. Similarly, in triangle BCD, DC equal to DB plus BC, which is equal to half of AB plus BC. Equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get B plus DC is equal to 2BC plus half of CA plus AB, which is equal to 2BC plus half of CB by triangle law of forces in triangle ABC. Therefore, B plus DC equal to 2BC minus half of BC, which is equal to 3/2 BC, which is the required answer. Now we give example number 2. If ABCD is a quadrilateral and EFGH are the middle point of the side AB, BC, CD and DA. मीन्स ABCD हमें क्वाड्रिलेटर दे रखा है, EAB का मिड पॉइंट है, FBC का है, GCD का है और HDA का मिड पॉइंट गिवन है. शो दैट फोर्सेस रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय EG, FH and DB in magnitude and direction acting on a particle will keep it in equilibrium. मीन्स हमें शो करना जो रिजल्टेंट होगी फोर्सेस की, कौन कौन सी फोर्सेस की? EG, FH और DB की, वो क्या आएगी? 0. लेट्स सोल्व दिस. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? पहले हम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं EF, FG, GH एंड HG. देन इन ट्रायंगल EFG वी हैव EG इक्वल टू EF प्लस FG. Similarly, in triangle EFH, FS equal to FE plus EH. Equation number 2. Also in triangle ADB, we have DB equal to 2HE. DB equal to 2HE. This is triangle law, which is equal to 2GF as HE is equal to GF. Now adding 1, 2 and 3, we get EG plus FH plus DB is equal to EF plus FG plus FE plus EH plus 2GF. Now we can write this as EF plus FG minus EF plus FG plus 2GF because EH is equal to FG. इस ट्रायंगल में हम देखेंगे तो EH किसके इक्वल है? FG के. तो ये हमारा आ गया दिस इज इक्वल टू 2FG plus 2GF जो कैंसिल आउट हो गया. दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. Hence forces are in equilibrium. Now we state lambda mu theorem and also prove this. What is lambda mu theorem? The resultant of forces acting at a point O in direction OA and OB represented in magnitude by lambda OA and mu OB is represented by lambda plus mu OC, where C is the point in AB such that lambda CA इक्वल टू म्यू CB. मीन्स हमें क्या शो करना है? अगर हमारे पास दो फोर्सेस है OA एंड OB और जिनकी मैग्नीट्यूड क्या गिवन है? लैम्डा OA एंड म्यू OB. एक C पॉइंट हमारे पास ऐसा है सच दैट लैम्डा सी ए इक्वल टू म्यू सी बी, मीन्स लैम्डा सी ए इक्वल टू म्यू सी बी, देन रिजल्टेंट ऑफ दीज फोर्सेस दैट इज ओसी की जो रिजल्टेंट है वो उसकी मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगी, लैम्डा प्लस म्यू ओसी. लेट्स सोल्व दिस. From triangle OAC we have OA equal to OC plus CA by triangle. Now forces multiplying both side by lambda we get lambda OA equal to lambda OC plus lambda CA. Similarly from triangle OCB we have OB equal to OC plus CB. Multiplying both side by mu we get mu AB OB equal to mu OC plus mu CB. Equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2 we get lambda OA plus mu OB which is equal to lambda plus mu OC plus lambda CA plus mu CB which is equal to lambda plus mu OC plus lambda CA. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं minus mu BC which is equal to lambda plus mu OC plus lambda CA minus lambda CA because lambda CA is given to be equal to mu BC. अब ये कैंसिल आउट हो गया, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया हमारे पास लैम्डा ओए प्लस म्यू ए बी किसके इक्वल आ गया, लैम्डा प्लस म्यू ओ सी. नाउ वी गिव कोरोलरी द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू फोर्सेस OA एंड OB इज ए फोर्स 2OC where C is the midpoint of AB. Let's prove this. If lambda equal to mu equal to 1 in above theorem, means if we put lambda and mu equal to 1 in above theorem, then we get 1 OA plus 1 OB equal to 1 plus 1 OC. Means OA plus OB equal to 2 OC where C is the midpoint of OB. This is also an important result. Now we give example number 3. Find a point O inside a quadrilateral ABCD such that if a particle placed at it be acted upon by forces represented by OA, OB, OC and OD, it will be in equilibrium. मीन्स हमें क्या शो करना है, क्वाड्रिलेटर ABCD गिवन है, उसमें हमें एक पॉइंट O फाइंड आउट करना है जो पॉइंट फोर्सेस OA, OB, OC और OD को क्या रखेगा, इक्विलिब्रियम में. Let's solve this. Let O be the given point. Let this O be the given point. And E and F be the midpoint of side AB and CD. E और F हम AB और CD के midpoint मान लेते हैं. And let G be the midpoint of join of E and F. That is EF. Now as E is the midpoint of AB, therefore AE equal to EB. Now applying lambda mu theorem, we get in triangle OAB, we can write OA plus OB equal to double of OE by above corollary. Similarly in triangle OCD, we have OC plus OD equal to 2OF. And in triangle OEF, we have OE plus OF equal to double of OG. Equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. Adding 1 and 2, we get OA plus OB plus OC plus OD equal to this one. This is equal to double of OE plus OF, which is equal to double of double OG by equation number 3. This is equal to 4 OG. Now we have to find point O. Now particles will be in equilibrium if and only if this resultant is equal to 0, means 4 OZ equal to 0 means OZ equal to 0. अब इसका क्या मतलब है, OZ equal to 0 means O and G coincides. Hence O is और G coincide करते हैं और G हमने क्या लिया है, मिड पॉइंट ऑफ EF. तो O क्या हो गया हमारा, O is the midpoint of join of midpoints of AB and CD. This is the required result. Now we give next example, example number 4. If G is the centroid of triangle ABC, G क्या दे रखा है, centroid. Prove that forces acting at G and represented by GA, 2GB, 3GC have a resultant force represented by 3GH, where H is a point in BC such that BH equal to 2HC. हमें क्या दे रखा है? ट्रायंगल ABC गिवन है, G सेंट्रोइड है. हमें शो करना है फोर्सेस GA, 2GB एंड 3GC की जो रिजल्टेंट है किसके इक्वल है? 3GH के, वेयर H क्या है? पॉइंट है such that BH is equal to double of HC. Let's solve this. Let D be the midpoint of BC. Then G being the centroid of triangle ABC, divide AD in the ratio 2:1. This is triangle property. Therefore, AZ equal to double of GD. Now, अब हमें रिजल्टेंट निकालने GA, 2GB और 3GC की. Therefore, GA plus 2GB plus 3GC. This is equal to, we can write it as GA plus 2GB को लिख सकते हैं हम GB plus GB. 3GC को हम लिख सकते हैं GC plus 2GC. Now, combine this GA plus GB plus GC plus GB plus 2GC, which is equal to GA plus GB plus GC plus GB plus 2GC. Now, GB plus GC is equal to double of GD by lambda mu theorem, because D is the midpoint of BC. This implies GA plus 2GB plus 3GC is equal to GA plus 2GD plus GB plus 2GC, which is equal to GA plus AZ plus GB plus 2GC by equation number 1 as AZ equal to double of GD, which is equal to, अब GA और AZ तो कैंसिल हो गए, इक्वल एंड अपोजिट फोर्स, plus GB plus 2GC, which can be written as 1 into GB plus 2GC. Now, applying lambda mu theorem in triangle GBC, we get 1 into GB plus 2 into GC is equal to 1 plus 2GH, which is equal to 3GH, where H is a point on BC such that 1BH is equal to 2SC. Because लैम्डा म्यू थ्योरम हम जब भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं अगर हमारे पास ये रिलेशन होगा, ये वाली, ये रिजल्ट, दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस वन इफ एंड ओनली इफ 1BH इज इक्वल टू 2HC, क्योंकि लैम्डा की जगह हमारे पास 1 है और म्यू की जगह हमारे पास 2 है. नाउ वी गिव एग्जांपल नंबर 5. इफ EF आर द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ डायगोनल AC एंड BD ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटर ABCD. हमें ABCD क्वाड्रिलेटर गिवन है और E और F मिड पॉइंट गिवन है डायगोनल AC एंड BD के. AC का मिड पॉइंट है E, BD का मिड पॉइंट है F, एंड G भी द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ EF और EF का मिड पॉइंट गिवन है G. तो हमें शो करना है फोर्सेस रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कौन कौन से फोर्सेस? GA, GB, GC एंड GD आर इन इक्विलिब्रियम. मींस हमें इनकी रिजल्टेंट क्या शो करनी है? 0 के इक्वल. नाउ लेट्स ज्वाइन G2, C, B, A and D. Then in triangle AGC and GBD apply lambda mu theorem. We get 1GA plus 1GC equal to 2GE and 1GB plus 1GD equal to 2 of GF, as E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of DB. Therefore, ratio is 1:1. Now adding 1 and 2, we get GA plus GB plus GC plus GD equal to double of GE plus GF, which is equal to 0. Equal and opposite force, because G is the midpoint of EF. Thus, forces are in equilibrium. Thank you.